Hello and welcome to CIA. My name is Mayank, and in this video, I'm going to discuss how to work with dynamic content in Mautic. So in previous two videos, I have described how you can use context token in the Mautic email so that you can customize the email title. Before that, I described how you can use dynamic content in the email while you are creating, and you can present different variant of the text in the same email based on various values in the contact field. But in this one, we are going to talk about how you can customize your landing page content based on what your user is going to see. I will take the same example that I have taken before. Let me first show you the example of emails that we created before. I will link to those two videos in the description, and you can go and check it out. What we did was, previous video was all about putting dynamic contact field in email title, and then we had also used dynamic content from here in email, using which we can actually send various variations based on which country this contact is part of. Right, so something similar we are going to do in the landing page now. So first step for us is to go to dynamic contact section, and here we will just create a name. Here we can use contact token as well. And yes, you can place the form on in the dynamic content, and you can use different forms based on your contact requirements. So for using the form, again, it's very simple. I'm just using a sample form. Okay, so something like this. I'm just going to copy this whole content because I will be using the same for another two dynamic contents as well. Is campaign based, you have to set to no, and in the requested slot name, what we can do is we will be placing a slot name. So custom price INR for India, and here in the filters, country is India. Okay, so that's it. This is published, save and close. And dynamic content, I'm just going to create another one. Right, this one for, let's say, Canada. Change this. Campaign based will be set to no. Published will be set to yes. In the filters, instead of India, we call it Canada. Save and close. And the third one is that we need to create for US. Save and close. So now we have our content blocks ready. What we need to do is we need to use these slot names in our landing page. So when we are going to create the landing page, let's say create a new one. Custom plans only for you, and I will keep everything as it is. And in the builder, let me choose a different theme. So let's say this one. Okay, so in the builder, I will just delete everything else. And in this case, here, I will just add our blocks. So as you can see, we have different DWCs for Canada, for US, for India. Okay, so that's it. That's how you place the dynamic content. So I have placed all three slots. So whichever will match with the contact, it will appear here. So basically, this is to create variations, and you can create as many variations as you want based on how you are going to use it. So save, close, save and close. Okay, so next step, we are going to create the email. So I am just going to clone this first email that we created, use the segment email, enter the builder, and I will just remove the part of dynamic content from here. Right, so dynamic content is gone, and here I'm going to place a button. Right, so in the button link will be page link is equal to 7, and okay, So that's the button. Save, close, save and close. So let's publish this email. Send, send, send. So all the three emails have been sent. All three emails here. So first, let's go and copy the link. I will open in the private window. And as you can see, the content is coming up for the slot for INR. So Mayank from India. So content slot is coming for INR. So let's check out for Jane and Joe as well. So John, copy link, open in private window, just to be sure there is no cookies. And John is from USA, so the plans are coming for USA. And as you can see, the form is also coming up, right? And third, for Jane, Jane is from Canada, so the content should be coming for Canada. And as you can see, the first name, content, and this. So guys, this is how you can customize your landing page in Mautic as well based on the contact fields. I hope this was informative video for you. If you like the content, please click that like button. For more such informative videos, please subscribe to the channel, press that bell icon. If you have any queries, please comment below. I usually try to answer best to my capabilities. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.